thanks for taking a look at this. I made a very quick video just to show you how it works. So I've got a rigid body here, 2D. It's got a sprite on it. I just use a default sprite. It's got a collision shape 2D, which is a circle shape, so it can roll and stuff. This has all got collisions on it. At the top here, I've got two text boxes. The first one's for angle, the second one's for power. That will launch it. That was just for testing while I was doing some calculations. And I'll just run it. So the idea is I want to be able to drag from here to here and have it launch that like that. Now that actually works until you get to like a rotation like this. Now if I pull down on this, it's not going to launch the way that it's meant to. It's going to launch in a different direction. And in this case, if I want it to go up, I figured out I've actually got to pull it relative to its rotation, and then it'll go directly up. But I don't know why that is. So the script looks like this, and I can show you the script for the on button pressed. So I get the angle, convert it to an integer, convert the angle to radians. So I assume they're putting it in 360, or I'm putting it in 360. This was just for testing. Convert that angle to a vector, get the power value out, multiply the vector by the power, and then apply a central impulse power. That does work. That works fine, but I've just disabled that because I don't want to do it at the moment. And then what I actually want to do is this here. So update just draws the line. If the mouse button is pushed, button left, get the local mouse position, set drag to true, that's just for drawing the line. Print the shot. I can get rid of that probably. But if the input is just released, click, I've defined that as button left as well. Then we want to launch the ball and then reset the shot and set the drag to false. But all launch the ball does is apply a central impulse shot. So same as what I've done down here. Now I know what the problem is. The problem is this here, but I'm not entirely sure how to fix it. And that's kind of what I need some help with. So you can see that it does work initially. I can launch it straight up if I want to launch it, and that will go that way because it's relative to the rotation of it. And then if I want it to go, say, down or whatever, I'll drag it that way. But it's just not working. So that's what I need some help with.